Okay, so here's another tutorial on how to go about designing the apartment. Um, there's several ways you can do it. One way is using bubble diagrams to kind of give you an idea of where rooms um, can go. It's basically just drawing circles um, and labeling the rooms. And you can see you can have many different ideas um, and kind of go from there in terms of what is possible. Um, and obviously, the bigger the circle, the bigger the room. The smaller the circle, the smaller the space. Um, and if they're touching each other, they're typically right next to each other. Um, and so this is basically how architects do rough drafts. These are called bubble diagrams. You can make them really easily. And so I usually like to start with the biggest room. Here's where you can get your labels going on. This is the living room, and so C for circle, and then right next to it, I don't know, maybe um, the entrance is over here somewhere, and the label for the entrance, the entry. Let's do another circle for the dining room. Maybe this is the dining room. Maybe this is the kitchen. Oops. Kitchen. This is the dining. And, maybe over here you have the bedroom. And maybe there's the bathroom right here. Somehow there. And not to say this is right, this is wrong. This is just how you can start getting ideas of where things are situated. Here we go. And maybe you want a balcony, by the bedroom. Put a balcony there. Again, this is just representation of kind of the arrangement. And if we look, this is what we're dealing with. Um, and you can see how quickly I did that. I did that in a couple minutes. Did these in a couple minutes. Three different arrangements. These are the really, really rough drafts. Another way to do it is um, I've put in week 6 Oops, sorry. Wrong, right here, week 6. Um, Assignment, room sizes. And so these are different room sizes. And they go small, medium, large. Um, Now these are average sizes, not to say that all rooms that are small are this particular size or that particular size. Or these are just average. A 12 by 20 kitchen is super huge. You will hardly see that in a house in California. If you do, that person probably has a severe amount of money. Um, so I went ahead and made a list of what the rooms in this one bedroom apartment should look like. Even the living room might be a little too big. We can probably do 12 by 15, but that's a good size as well. So what I did in SketchUp is I created each room separately. And so, like, let's take the kitchen, 5 by 10. So I drew that. See, 5 feet by 10 feet. And then I closed it up. I used the offset the command, the letter F, left click, oop, oop, left click and drag, type in 6, enter to create the walls. And so this would be one of the kitchens. Now, I also copied this, move, control, so the letter M for move, uh, control for the copy. Let me go ahead and do that again. So I'm going to select this using the select command. I hit the space bar or this for the select command. Just drag and there you go. Select everything. The letter M, and then I'm gonna hit control. And you see that plus sign on my cursor? That means I'm ready to copy. So copy this, and then I'm gonna rotate this. And since it's already selected, which is great, I'm gonna rotate this and then just slide this over to my cursor over to the red axis and rotate it over onto the green axis. And that's it. I labeled everything just so I have an idea of where everything's at. But I wanted to show you why I did one of each. Because when I move this over to this area, this is basically the footprint of the garage. This might not make sense in this direction. It might make more sense in this direction. So I gave myself more options. Um, like if I wanted to take this living room, say for example, take this living room, move it, and I'm just going to make a copy of it and put it over here. Now, I don't necessarily have to put this at the very edge, but I could put it right here and I can take these lines right here and move them to here. I can erase these and make more lines from here to here and here to here. There we go. And now you can see I have some walls. This is going to be my living room. I can erase these lines. And now I'm starting to put things together. So I got the living room done. Maybe I want this balcony. Control. Maybe I want this balcony right here. And then maybe I want the kitchen. Where's the kitchen? Right, maybe I want the dining area. Move, control. Right here. So, maybe people in the dining area and people in the living room can go up. Here, let's do this. Move, control. I want to move this right here. Got a little too ambitious. This is what I wanted. Right there. So this shares a wall. And then here we go. Could erase this and erase this and this. Put that line up there. These I can move a little bit closer. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean things up. There we go. Oop, So this is going to be the balcony. This wall is not going to go completely higher than this wall, so I'm not going to erase um, this line. I want this wall to be separate from these walls. So here we go. Let's see. Bedroom. Did I make a bedroom? Living room, dining area. No, I did not make a bedroom. So bedroom 12 by 12. Great. So I can make a bedroom 12 feet by 12 feet. And then offset this 6 inches. So 6, enter. There we go. Move, control. Now maybe this is where I want the bedroom, on this back corner over here. And the bathroom. And maybe that doesn't make sense, so maybe just try this one. And then you can see how you're starting to put things together. Mhm. Bathroom. Where's the kitchen? There's the kitchen. So let's do the kitchen. Yeah, maybe this is the kitchen. This is the dining area. This is the balcony. This is the bathroom. This is the living room. This is where you can start to play around and really see if things work or not. This is the bedroom. And honestly, I don't think this is going to work. Um, there's just way too much living room and not enough um, privacy in these private areas. So I'm going to go ahead and undo a lot of this. And, but you can see clearly this is how you can start to create your floor plan. You can pause the video to see the dimensions of the garage. Um, and if you actually need to see the dimensions of the garage, that is also in Schoology right here. Scroll down to A 2.2 and zoom in right here. Same dimensions. Same. 24.2, 20 feet 2, 24.2, 20 feet 2. So you'll notice on this project, this is the property line on this side. This is the main house. This is the garage, and we're building on top of this. So we can't build this way and we can't build this way, but we could build this way and this way. And there you have it. We could only build so much this way. So we can't pass the property line. So there you have it. That's how you can get started in designing your floor plan. Here was something that I got started with. This is the front porch. Just open the door. Here's the closet. You can hang your coat. There's the kitchen. Here's the dining room. Here's a little peninsula. I figured You could put some bar stools right here, so people could sit here and eat, and maybe one right here at the edge, and maybe some on this side. I don't know. And then maybe like a little table here, and then the entire living room right here. And then there's a little hallway this way, where there's storage. Um, this is the bedroom, closet, and here's the washer and dryer, and then here's the bathroom. And so someone in the living room can walk over into the bathroom this way, and then if someone's in the bedroom, they can walk into the bathroom that way. So this is kind of like a master bedroom, but if this person wanted to lock their door here and here, they can, to keep, their bedroom private, and their bathroom is still accessible to the public. And so this is the kind of floor plan that I came up with. I'm obviously going to add more windows, probably more windows right here in the kitchen, here and here. The dining room, definitely going to add some windows here, here. The living room, probably add one window here, maybe a window here. The bedroom, I might not add another window here because there's neighbors over here on this side. So, and I figure if they're gonna place the bed on this side, maybe they're going to, or over here, they can, have a TV here or something. Um, yeah. Anyway, the washer and dryer is gonna be right here. And so this was kind of the floor plan that I was thinking. I made a copy of it, put it over here, and started to make a little, not foundation, but a second floor um, thickness of material. But anyway, that's it. Go ahead and get started. You can start with bubble diagrams so you can get an idea of where you want to put everything. Um, I put the bedrooms for this plan right here in front of the garage, bath as well. And then so when you walk up the stairs, you're going to go up this way and around. So you're going to go underneath and around to the front porch and to basically the kitchen and then the living room. So it's a little unorthodox to walk right into, a foyer and then kitchen and living room, but it is an open concept. So there you have it.